Hello again guys, I'm gonna do a special video this time. I'm gonna profile and take a proper look at some of my budgies that I've got and look at the colours and the mutations. Okay, so the one at the front there is a spangled. He's lovely, very nice bird, and the one just behind is a pied, and that is my favourite. Lovely bird. That's one of my own chicks. Next one, a lovely bird. He's a yellow-faced opaline. Here's one of a few violets that I've got, white-faced, lovely bird. And then I've got another pied, blue and white this time. Here we have Mrs. Check and her mate. Mrs. Check is a pied and so is her mate. One of my best breeding pairs, these two, once they finally settled down. No eggs at the moment, but hopefully soon. This bird we call Rainbow. She's all kinds of different colours. There's another one of my favourites, one of my boys. I think he's classed as an opaline. He's like really minty green colour. He's amazing. Moving on to one of my other favourites, really lovely fluffy bird, one of my own chicks from last year, an albino, beautiful bird, posing for the camera. This is a good shot. Got my blue, my yellow-faced violet on the right, and in the middle an opaline. Very good shot of some of my favourite birds there. And in the background, yellow-faced, spangled, blue, beautiful budgie, and a pied yellow, or slight yellow-faced behind. Beautiful birds. I'll leave you with my favourite. A lot of the females obviously in boxes, so can't be seen, and hopefully I'll do another video like this soon. Thanks a lot guys, bye for now.